In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to creatively manipulate an audio track using some fundamental editing techniques. Whether you're a budding audio engineer or just looking to have some fun with your recordings, these tips will guide you through the process of transforming your sounds into something new and exciting. Let's start by opening the software you'll be using. Once you're in, head over to the File menu and click on Import. From there, select Audio. For those of you who might prefer to record directly within the application, simply hit that record button and you'll be ready to begin. With your audio track in front of you, the next step is to select the entire track. You can easily do this by pressing Ctrl and A on your keyboard. This shortcut ensures that any changes you make will affect the whole track, giving you consistent results across your project. Now that you have your audio selected, let's move on to altering the pitch. Navigate to the Effect menu and choose Change Pitch. Here, you'll see a slider that allows you to adjust the pitch of your audio. Sliding it up will give your track a higher voice, which can be quite funny and entertaining, while sliding it down will result in a deeper, more resonant voice. Once you've reached the desired pitch, click OK to apply the changes. For those looking to add an extra layer of creativity, you can also choose to change the speed of your audio. Again, head to the Effect menu and click on Change Speed. By increasing the speed, your track will take on a more cartoonish quality that can add a touch of humor. If you prefer a slower, more deliberate effect, simply decrease the speed. Once you're happy with the adjustment, hit OK to set it in place. And for an optional stylistic flourish, consider adding some echo or reverb. Back in the Effect menu, you'll find both of these options available to you. An echo can give your recording a haunting, reflective quality, while reverb can add an atmospheric depth, making it sound as though it was recorded in a vast hall or chamber. Choose whichever effect you prefer, adjust the settings to your liking, and press OK to finalize. Finally, it's time to export your masterpiece. Go to File, then Export, and select either Export as MP3 or Export as WAV, depending on your needs. Each option has its benefits, with MP3 being more universally compatible and WAV offering higher quality. Save your file and congratulations! You've just completed a powerful transformation of your audio track. With these skills under your belt, you can experiment and produce a variety of unique audio experiences. Happy editing, and see you next time!